In front of me is Honor View 20, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. You need to begin by launching your keyboard. When you're ready, click on Clipboard at the top of it, and then click on this pen at the top right corner. Now select this gray sweater next to Remember Copied Text to activate it. Following that, you can copy or cut any sentence to add it to your clipboard, or click on Add New Clip and type an N over here. Then select Save. Now to paste it right away, you can click on it at the top of your keyboard, or just click on Clipboard and click on it here. To pin any added sentences, use those pins on the left. You can unpin them the same way. To delete anything from Clipboard, you need to swipe it to the right. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same pen as before and click on Now Purple Sweater at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!